Only the environmental condition isn't shown as a numerical data, but as a situation which is called residential area or commercial area and so on. So instead of the environmental situation, we adapt the quantification method on statistics and make it the numerical rate. In this way, all data are replaced for the gap rates and used to calculate the run value. However, even if the gap rate is appropriate in the same value inference, it doesn't indicate how much each condition influences the whole market-specific value. The gap rate is like this. Do you use the gap rate in your appraisal? The gap rate is presumed that each inference is on a level. Is each inference on a level? Certainly, the gap rate will express a part of the market-specific value inferences. But it isn't everything, because each condition or inference may have different ratio in the market-specific value inferences. The multiple regression analysis is very useful in solving this problem. So I shall go to the core of my speech. Though the multiple regression analysis is different from our appraisal, the analysis will be helpful to us. The multiple regression equation is a linear expression. Replace all variables with logarithms. As a linear expression means addition, it is easy to change addition to multiplication by changing all variables with the logarithms. The round value is generally considered the multiplication of the value inferences. So it is necessary to change addition to multiplication. That is to say, it is very convenient to compare the variables replaced by the logarithms with the value inferences. The multiple regression analysis will not be a good guide to our appraisal until the linear expression is replaced by the multiplication. According to the multiple regression analysis, the market-specific value inferences on Shirahama town are shown as the following equation. In the equation, each variable is replaced with a common logarithm. Y means the run value. X1 means the street condition. X2 means the traffic approaching condition. X3 means the environmental condition. X4 means the public administrative condition. E means the fixed number. Even if each variable is expressed by the common logarithm, there is not any change in the tendency. That is to say, if the explanatory variables are directly proportional to the dependent variable, replaced logarithms also have the same tendency. The coefficient of determination is also 0.91, and the accuracy of this equation is very high. We got the coefficient of determination 0.91. It's very adequate, but it's very difficult to get such a high accuracy. We worked all night long for some days. Let's change this equation from the addition into the multiplication. This equation closely resembles the following one, which we generally use in case of the appraisal. Very similar. This isn't Da Vinci Code. M doesn't mean Mary Magdalene. M means market-specific value inferences. Shall I call Tom Hanks? Let's pay attention to the difference of these two equations. Except for the point being made by the logarithms, it is the most different point that each condition has a different exponent in this multiplication, which is replaced from the multiple regression equation. The left side of both equations is also different. But as the market-specific value inferences are a part of the random value, we don't take care of the difference. These exponents are called partial regression coefficients in the linear regression equation. The partial regression coefficient shows the contribution to the dependent variable of each explanatory variable. Since each explanatory variable means a group of the market-specific value inferences, try to examine each group closely.